This is Dave Wright, chairman of Victor Hiking Trails. Today we're over in Mendon Ponds Park. We're going to take a walk onto the nature trail. This is a park that's owned by Monroe County. They also have the Wild Wings Nature Center here, where they have a few birds of prey that you can go and look at. They do ask for a donation. There's a little map that shows you the park. We're going to take a walk on the birdsong trail. Going to be looking for black-capped chickadees. During the school year, on school days, they have nature classes over here. Today we're going to be looking for the black-capped chickadee.
We haven't seen any birds yet, but there are several gray squirrels along the trail.
This is the purple trail, pretty typical of many of the trails in Mendon Ponds. This is a section of the yellow trail, more like a single track instead of the wide trail that is so typical in Mendon Ponds Park. This section of the yellow trail does have quite a bit of up and down, so be prepared with that. Today is Sunday, November 13th, 2022. The forecast is for snow today. If we do get any kind of a covering at all, it will be the first snow of the season for our area. We're back on Birdsong Trail, heading back to the Nature Center. We'll see what we can find along the way. So on the Birdsong Trail, you will find many tree identification signs, and you'll see some fairy doors, interesting for the children. The park also has several mowed trails, grass trails that have been mowed, and you might spot some bluebird houses along the trail. Here is an interesting chair that someone carved out of a solid log. Now we are back at the Nature Center parking lot. Hope you enjoyed this little hike. Hope you have an opportunity to come out and do some hiking here. Thank you, and please like this video, and if you will, please subscribe to Victor Hiking Trails channel so you can see more videos like this.